Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez from Masgric Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng aking mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of October 17 hanggang October 23 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information po. Ano kayong sasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? So, ito na. Alamin na natin dyan, guys. So, let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Oh my God, this is all about lovers. So, connected with your husband, wife, jowa, partnership, or ano man tong relasyon na meron kayo. Ganun. Additional messages. So, this is something that is also with the breakthrough. May mga bagay na magtatagumpay na. May mga bagay na maisa sa katuparan na. Additional messages. And this is a Seven of Swords, cheating, lying on you. Oh my God! Putulin mo na tong bagay na to na maaaring magsilbi ng kasinungalingan at panloloko. Oh, no. Additional messages. So, this is the full card. Na umiwas kayo sa mga tao sa sitwasyon nyo na maaaring kinukuha yung tiwala nyo, no? Kaya kailangan mag-iingat kayo. Additional messages. Represent Emperor. Now, be mature enough and be grounded. Kaya kailangan maging mature ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi mo alam kung sino talaga yung totoo at hindi. This is something the King of Swords. With a mental clarity. Now, bibigyang linaw. Lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. At kumaga, may mga bagay sa sitwasyon mo na kailangan putulin, alisin. No, bago pa makasira or magsilbing panira, no, ng eksena mo. The Lovers represent what? Ang The Lovers represent the Eight of Swords. See, there's a lot of toxicities or negativities around you, together with your husband and wife, or even sa partnership, no? Kumaga, napapalibutan ng mga toxicities or negativities. The Ace of Swords represent what? The Ten of Wands. So this is something obligation, responsibility. Kailangan alam sa sarili mo kung hanggang saan yung grounds mo, no? Kumaga, may mga bagay dito na maglilinaw sa iyo kung hanggang saan lang talaga para hindi ka naaabuso, no? Let's see what is the Seven of Swords. Represent the Empress card for revert. Ooh, something na parang maaaring ibabalik yung gandang eksena mo dito, or maaaring may babae, no, na maaaring sumira ng eksena. May kasinungalingan dito, ha. Para mayroon ako nakikita letter E. No, letter E yung initial na magsisilbing ano to. Maaaring third parties. So, what is the full card? This is the Magician for manifestation. Now, may mga bagay na maunti-unti mo na ma-manifest. No, unti-unti mo maisa sa katuparan. Unti-unti mo makukuha. Ganon. Mag-ingat kayo with the Seven of Swords and the Empress card. May babae dito, guys, na involved with the third party. I don't know kung it's your friends or either a third party with the lovers, no? Maaaring connected dito sa inyong dalawa ng person mo, and this is the letter E. Letter E, no? Mas malaking eksena na letter E. The Emperor represent what? The Two of Pentacles. So, this is something a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, no? Physically, mentally, emotionally. And this is something being logic, no? Pagiging matalino at wais. Yun yung kailangan mo. The King of Swords represent what? The Hierophant. So, this is something a lesson learned. So, may mga bagay na naging aral na sa'yo sa mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo, na putulin yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa inyo dalawa, na magsisilbing anay sa inyong relasyon. So, let's see what is the Lover instead of the Eight of Swords. So, this is the Hermit card. Spiritual awakening or something. This is a something spiritual journey. Like, is this something a karmic relationship? Na marami kayong pinagdaanan pagdating sa relasyon, no? Kumbaga, napapalibutan ka ng toxicities, no? Talagang, susubukan kayong sirain, no? Let's see what is the Ace of Swords and the Ten of Wands. So this is the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Kumbaga, hinay-hinay lang, no? Kumbaga, alam mo naman sigurado ka na makakaalis at makakatapos din yung sitwasyon or obligasyon mo na yan, no? Huwag masyado mabibigla. Huwag biglain. Mamaya mayroon kang binabayaran, hindi pinag-iipunan. Huwag biglain. And of course, this is something, the Sun card with the Seven of Swords and the Empress card. Meron ditong the Sun card. Ibig sabihin, natuklasan mo, nalaman mo kung sino tong magsisilbing traidor. Kilala mo na siya. So, let's see what is the Fool card. And of course, the Magician. Represent the Five of Cups. So, something regret or disappointment. May mga bagay na pagsisisi or pagsisisihan to, no? Yung mga bagay na mangyayari, no? Kung mag-aabot kamay mo na maisakataparan to, basta wag ka nagtitiwala sa mga taong traidor, no? Nasusubukan sirain ng eksena mo. The Emperor, the Two of Pentacles, represent the Star card for a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan na. Malalaman mo yung mga bagay kung hanggang sa magiging hangganan nito. No? Kung baga magiging wise at magiging logic ka, being rational, no? Sa pagdating sa decision. So, let's see what is the King of Swords because the Hierophant. Represent the Devil card. Oh, matuto ka na with the Devil. Tukso, layuan mo ako. Maaring may tukso na maaaring sumubok sa inyong relasyon, no? And this is something the Devil card with the toxicities or something a negativities. And of course, for this outcome, this is the Wheel of Fortune for destined to happen. Talagang, kumbaga, nasa kapalaran na maganap to, no? Kumbaga, itong bagay na to magsisilbing, kumbaga, pagsubok sa inyong dalawa, or itong bagay na to ang magsisilbing katapusan ng inyong pagsasama. Ay, my God, additional messages tayo. Pagdating sa career and finances, represent the Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. So, this is something secure na pagdating sa finances. And this is something, the Three of Pentacles with the collaborations, no? Just be aware on transactions, communication. This is something, information with the Knight of Cups with an offer. Maraming offer pagdating sa finances mo. No? Kumaga secure na maaring, kumaga this is something consistent eh. No? Kumaga tuloy-tuloy siya. No? Yung clients mo, customer mo, it's a good. Pagdating sa love life, anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay? So, this is a temperance, temper, no? Pagiging aggressive, ito yung susubukin kayo dito with the temptation. And this is something that moves with the decision. No? And because this is something, the Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming abundance. Isa sa pagsubok nyo ang isang relasyon. No? Pagdating sa relasyon nyo, diyan kayo susubukin. Kumbaga, kapag nakalagpas kayo dyan, this is a big shot, no? Na maaaring mag-combination with a partnership sa inyong dalawa. No? Magiging maganda ang relasyon, magiging maganda ang iyong finances, no? Kapag nakapasa kayo dito sa pagsubok na to. Additional messages pagdating naman sa health. Sa health niya naman, this is something the King of Wands, so something vision. Nabibigyan kayo ng pangitain, bibigyan kayo ng mga bagay na maaring malaman mo sa hinahanap, no? Pagdating sa health issues mo. Kung mag-alam mo na yung magiging possibilities. And this is something the Queen of Wands by confident. Dala kasama ang loob mo dito, ha? Magiging ano ka dito parang mahinahon, no? Sa mga bagay or sitwasyon na gagawin mo para hindi magkaroon ng cause yung health issues mo. No, ibig sabihin sa pagkain, magkaroon kayo ng, kumbaga, temper, na parang ano, yung, kumbaga, hinay-hinay, ganon. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? For magical fairy messages, represent healing, healed, healer. Oh, may pagagalingin kaya. Oh, ikaw ay isang manggagamot, no? Maaring kumbaga pagamutin or pagalingin mo, no? Maraming ka pagagalingin or maaring ikaw ay gumaling sa iyong mga karamdaman. And there's an expression individuality, no? Allow your true self to shine because you're awesome. So, ikaw yung mga bagay, ikaw yung magsisilbing kaliwanagan, no? Hindi para sa sarili mo, para sa ibang tao, no? Parang ipapakita mo yung gandang hindi mo inakala. Ganon. Kumbaga, this is something development and transformation pagdating sa sarili mo. For Yin and Yang Oracle card. So, let's see. And this is something separation. So, meron talaga dito naghiwalay at maghihiwalay, guys. Just be aware. And there's something solid foundation. No, kailangan palakasin nyo ang pundasyon nyo dito. There's a nurture. Pagdating sa love talaga, no? Love and care talaga kayo. And there's a facade. Ito yung mag-ingat kasi nagbabalat kayo na maaaring sirain, no? Ang iyong paniniwala. Oh my God. May tridor. So, let's see. What is additional messages tayo with synchronicities? And there's a journey, guys. There's something trouble. And this is something storm. May unos talaga. May susubok talaga, guys. This is something magician. It's either doing a black magic or something a God. Perfect timing. Now, ibig sabihin dito, it's a God will. And this is something the trust. So, susubukan ng tiwala nyo, no, sa isa't isa. My God. No? So, let's see what is the Romance Angels pagdating sa Mystic Love Oracle deck. And this is something heartbreak. No? Meron talagang mababasag at may masisira talaga pagdating sa relasyon dito. Kaya mag-ingat kayo. There is a safety comfort, no? Pagdating sa iyo, safe naman daw. Pero ewan ko na lang sa partner mo. And there's a peace na bibigyan ng kapayapaan dito at magkakaroon ng kalayaan. No? Sa kaisipan. This is something called hearing from them. Na meron tawag na matatanggap ka na maaaring magbigay liwanag, no? Sa katanungan mo kung ano, kung bakit at anyari. Ganon. So, let's see what is the energy. For the energy, represent a man holding a coin. So, if you are a man, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you are a woman, maring yung person mo yung marunong hawak ng finances. And there's something, man holding a heart. So, mahal na mahal ka ng tao na to. Or either, if you are a woman, mahal na mahal ka ng tao na to. Or if you are a man, mahal na mahal mo yung tao na yan. No? And there's a blossoming abundance. So, talagang magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan na plakado. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And of course, represent, you created this situation and you have the power to change it, no? Ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. And of course, this is something believe and trust, no? Maniwala at magtiwala ka lamang, diba? And because this is something guarded and protected, no? Pangalagaan at protectionan mo ang sarili mo. Additional messages tayo with an angel spirit. And there's a silver, guys. There's a goddess insight. No, may pasilip sa yung ating angel spirit. Bago pa maganap yan, magkakaroon ka ng gut feeling. No, mataas yung ano mo dito, spiritual abilities mo. No, kumbaga meron ka na ditong instinct, no, vibrations, and of course, hinala. And this is something gift, no? You are also gifted. With a past life, maaaring nakaraang buhay mo, may kakayanan, kaalaman ka. O, see? Kumbaga, bago pa mangyari to, there's something, kumbaga, parang ano siya, reincarnation. Yung mga bagay na parang binabalik ka sa nangyari. Parang akala mo nangyari na yung bagay na yun. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng something daydream, instinct, gano'n. And there's something school for a lesson. Marami kang bagay na matututunan. So, let's see what is additional messages for Romance Angels. For Romance Angels, so there's something wedding. No, maaring ikakasal ka na. And there's something chemistry. Oh, wow. This is something magnetic attraction for both of you guys. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? For the chakras, so this is an instinct. So, may some intuition talaga, guys, no? Malakas ang ano mo dito, radar mo. And there's something bittersweet. Pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. And there's a perfections, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay para sa iyo naka-line up ng maganap. Ganon. For the angel's answer, represent what? Represent, remain positive. So, panatiliin positibo ha. Sa lahat ng bagay-bagay, there's something romance. Malaking factor sa reading mo to ay pag-ibig. Let's see what is additional messages. There is a services, no? It's either a public servant ka or either tumutulong sa ibang tao or service yung trabaho mo. And there's our services. And there's a discipline. Kailangan nyo ng disiplina sa sarili nyo. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And this is something yoga, something of stretching, exercising. Kailangan nyo yan. And this is something of family. Now, there's something family related. Or you are also family-oriented. Malaking central sa purpose mo yung family. Additional Archangel Raphael. And represent, listen to your intuitive feeling. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. For an angel's messages, give me information pa. And this is something water your garden. So this is something rest. So kailangan mo talaga ng pahinga, guys. And you're not alone. So hindi ka nag-iisa, ha. For Monsology. Let's see what is a Monsology. Don't let your past hold you back. Na wag mo na raw balik-balikan yung nakaraan. And this is something, take your time to breathe out. So, kailangan mo pag-isipan, no? Mabuti bago ka mag-desisyon. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. So, let's see what is additional Jesus loving quotes. Represent what things soever you desire when you pray, believing that you receive them, and you shall have them. So, see? Ano daw yung mga bagay na hinahangad mo or pinapangarap mo? Kung naniniwala ka na matatanggap mo yun, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos ay matatanggap mo. No? Parang sinasabi dito, positive thought create a positive result. Always being optimistic sa lahat ng eksena at sa lahat ng panahon at pagkakataon. For the angel's number, represent what? Represent 666 for a great blessing. So this is something of blessing coming in for you, for nurture, for yourself. You need desires and boundaries. Let go of the things that weighing you down. Make space of something meaningful. Expand your spirit of all areas of your life. That big love, opportunities, or job need to squeeze in somewhere. So see, self-love, boundaries, and needs to good vibes, wisdom and understanding, letting go. So may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap at lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay ayon sa kalooban ng ating Panginoon. Kaya kumapit ka dahil itong mensahe na to ang magpapabulabog sa eksena mo, no? Kaya kumapit ka dahil ito nalalabas ng katotohanan sa matagal mo nang gustong malaman na kasagutan. So let's see, what is the message of life is a love affair. So, sinasabi dito, I re-announce my faith and release my resistance. Today, I choose to reside in the light of being. I rise above boldly and ask for the understanding that will free me from my duality. My prayers are heard and God sends angelic help so that the love and peace find their way to me when I open my eyes. Love affair. So, ang pagmamahal talaga ang mamumutangi sa lahat. No, ang pagmamahal talaga ang magwawagi sa lahat. So, ang pagmamahal, yan ang gamitin mo ang puso mo para makita mo ang kahulugan na nilalaman nito. Dahil lahat ng mga bagay na yan, lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon, ay lahat ng mga yan ay ayon sa kalooban ng ating Panginoon. Kaya tanggapin at himay-himayin bago pang mangyari ang mga bagay na dapat ay maghanap. So, guys, this is something special gabay for the month of October 17 hanggang October 23 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng kadsaway pagpalay kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.